Hello everyone, I am Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So today's pick a card reading is about how successful will you be. So I'll also be talking about the zodiac of each pile, and also we will be looking into the charms and initials at the end of each pile as well. So as usual, we have three piles in front of you: pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. So for those of you who don't know how to select a pile, you can choose the pile by looking at the crystals or with the number pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3, or with your intuition as well, the pile you feel most drawn to, most attracted to, or with timestamps as well if you feel more attracted to numbers. Now, meditate on each pile and choose the pile with your intuition as well. Pause the video if you'd like to. Take your time, pick a pile, and once you are done with the selection, you can check the description box below and forward the video to your respective timestamps. Welcome pile 1 for those of you who choose this crystal. Now let's see what messages do we have for you and how successful will you be. So we will look into the messages from the Monology Oracle later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So pile 1 from the tarot deck, we have for you the Four of Inspiration, which is the Four of Wands. Okay, then we have Two of Materials, which is the Two of Pentacles. Then we have the Knight of Voices, that is the Knight of Swords. Okay, we have the Three of Emotions, which is the Three of Cups. Then we have the Nine of Inspiration, that is the Nine of Wands. We have the Five of Inspiration, that is the Five of Wands. Okay, and we have the Seven of Materials, which is the Seven of Pentacles, and we have the High Priestess. Okay, so pile 1. Now talking about the zodiac first, so I feel that some of you could be a fire sign, that is the Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, or you could also be an earth sign, that is the Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, and also some of you could be a water sign as well, that is the Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So pile 1, I feel that you people have a lot of creativity and a lot of ideas, and also I feel that you people are full of energy, and you people are very ambitious as well. Yes, and also I feel that some of you could even do things in life, like one is that for you to make an income, and the other thing is you could turn your hobby, something that you are very passionate about, into your work, and the other thing you will do could be just for your own self satisfaction as well. But whatever is that you do, pile 1, I feel that the foundation of your work, it is going to be very stable. Yes, and you people will be enjoying what you do. Yes, and Also, I feel that some of you could be into some kind of partnership business as well. Yes, and I also feel that some of you could travel a lot because of your work. Yes. Also, I feel that pile one, that some kind of group work, teamwork. Yes, that is going to be very beneficial for you people. And also, I feel that right now, currently, pile one, some of you could be really working hard on your finances. I also feel that with the nine of inspiration, that you people have a lot of responsibilities. And I also feel that uh, some of you are provider for your family, like you have a lot of financial responsibilities upon you. um, but yes, I feel that you people you people are going to be very successful in future. Yes, you people are going to come out of that darkness as well. And also with this sun at a distance, I also feel that yes, you people are going to be very successful, and you people are going to achieve all your whatever is that you desire in life. Yes, and I feel that you people are going to be uh, celebrating your success. Yes, and I also feel that you people are very intelligent and very logical person. Also, I feel that you people have a lot of knowledge, and you people have a lot of wisdom as well. Also, I feel that some of you could be you know very much drawn towards spirituality. You people like to meditate a lot. Yes, and I also feel that people need to listen to your inner voice as well. Yes, and also I feel that some of you yes, a lot of you, in fact, you people need to you know pay attention to your dreams as well. And any messages that angels and the universe they are trying to give you, could be through your dreams or could be through any signs as well. Yes, you need to pay attention to those things, and also listen to your inner voice, because it will be guiding you to move ahead in life. Yes, and also pile one, I feel that you people uh, yes, you people like to learn a lot. Yes, you have that um, desire for learning. Yes, and also pile one, if you people are if some of you are a student, I think that some kind of creative field or something which is related to creativity, art, and travel business. Yes, those things will be very beneficial for you, pile one. But also pile one, with the five of inspiration, I feel that there is a lot of conflicts around you. Yes, and also this could also be about your inner conflicts as well. Yes, uh, I also feel that some of you are feeling a lot of worries, and you people have a lot of yes, worries about your future, because yes, as I told you earlier, you some of you could be have a lot of financial responsibilities upon you as well. So yes, that could also be cause of worry in your life. But yes, um, you need to trust yourself. Yes, and you need to let go of those worries and anxiety and fears about your future. Yes, because I feel that you people are going to come move out of that darkness. Yes, and yes, you people are going to be at peace in the near future. Yes, and also you need to listen to your inner guidance, and you need to trust yourself. Yes, you need to trust in your abilities. Yes, and I also feel that for some of you, after your marriage, your career is going to grow a lot as well. And I also feel that yes, you people are going to be very successful, and financially also, you people are going to uh, be very successful. Yes, and yes, I feel that in you people are going to be very successful in the later years of your life. Yes, and yes, that is, yes, and I also feel that you need to be very confident. Yes, you need to have that self confidence. Do not doubt yourself, Palwan. Do not doubt your abilities to achieve your dreams. Yes, and now let's see what messages, what guidance do we have for you from the Monology Oracle. So, from the Monology Oracle, pile 1, we have for you a new romantic cycle begins, new moon in Libra. Okay. Then we have you are good enough. Okay, full moon in Virgo. Okay. So, some of you could be a Virgo as well. Okay, Virgo, Libra. Okay. So, pile 1, yes, a new cycle is going to begin for you. And, new moon is all about, new energies, new beginnings. So, yes, and also with this scale, I feel that, your life is going to be very balanced. Yes, and also I feel that, yes, as I told you earlier, some of you could be doing, two things in life, and you are going to, balance those two things very well. Now, this could also be about, you people are balancing your uh, professional life and your, home life as well. And also, this could be about, yes, two, having two different jobs. Yes, and also I feel that some of you could be signing some legal papers very soon as well. Yes, and I also feel that if you are having any issues, any legal issues, then yes, things are going to go on your favor. And also we have the three of emotions as well. So yes, this could also be about you people could be signing some papers, could be regarding your new home as well. Yes, and because I feel that you people are celebrating a lot with your loved ones. And also we have you are good enough. So yes, pile 1, as I told you earlier, yes, you need to believe in yourself. You need to have that self confidence, and you know you need to stop doubting yourself, pile 1. And also uh, you you need to clear out some energies as well. And if you have any negative emotions, if you have any self doubt, that if you feel like you are not good enough, so yes, you need to let go of those worries and fears. And yes, you need to start doing a meditation as well. And this could also talks about that yes, it is time, for you to start living a healthy life as well. Yes, uh, and also, you need to declutter things, that you need to let go of those things which no longer serves you. Yes, and yes, you need to believe in yourself. You need to trust yourself, and also you need to have faith in angels, that yes, um, you need to have positive thoughts. Pile one. Yes, now let's see what we have from the charms. So I've put the initials and the charms, and I'm going to take out few. Let's see what messages we have for you from the charms. Oh, that's a lot. So let's see what we have for you. Pile one. Okay. So yes, let me first take the initials. So we have C. Okay, so this could be your first name initials or your last name initials as well, or this could be. So we have C, D, we have N. Okay, I hope that's visible. Okay, we have C, D, N, we have Y, we have we have W, and this could also be M as well. We have S, and we have yes L, we have N, we have Y, we have H, we have L again. Okay, and we have U, we have D again, we also have D again, and we have X, we have A, we have L again, we have I hope that's visible. Okay, we have K as well, we have K again, and we have B. No, we have B, we have B again, and again we have B, and we have L again. Okay, we have H, we have A again, and we have X, we have A, we have S again, and we have I. Okay, so if you could make some names here, or this could be your initials. Okay, now let's look into the charms. So we have a guitar. So yes, some of you could be into some creative fields, or working in some creative fields, learning something creative, that is going to be very beneficial for you, as I told you earlier. Yes, and we have cycle as well, which is about I feel that you people are going to move forward. You people are moving forward to achieve your dreams. And we have heart as well. So yes, whatever is that you are going to do, you people are going to be very successful, and you people are going to have that peace at your heart. Yes, that is what I'm feeling. And yes, you people are moving forward, even even if this is about, some making some slow progress right now, but yes, you people are definitely moving forward. And we have the fish as well. Yes, you know uh, I feel with this fish that, you need to let go of some, worries, and any tensions as well. We have the heart again. So yes, whatever is that you are going to do in life, it is going to bring you a lot of peace and harmony and love as well. Yes. And also, yes, we have the horse as well. Yes, you people are, moving towards achieving your success, your desire, your goals. You have a lot of energy, and we have again a horse. So yes, you people are going to be very successful. And oh wow, L- look at this pile one. If this is visible, you know uh, angels watching over me. So wow, angels are watching over you, in whatever is that you are doing. And yes, you people have a lot of creativity, and also, you need to start loving yourself. And also, with this apple, I feel that, you need to start taking care of your health as well. Yes, uh, you need to start living a healthy life as well. Yes, have some self love as well. And yes, very beautiful reading. We have this as well. With this, I feel that, and with the five of wands, I feel that, a lot of, some people with a lot of ego and, conflicts and all of that, those people and worries could be, surrounding you, or this could be your own mind, focusing on negative aspects of life. So yes, let go of those things, and just know that, angels, they are watching over you, and you are moving uh, towards achieving your success. So yes, that was all for you, Palwan. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if you like my reading, if the messages resonated with you, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, Palwan. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 2. For those of you who choose this crystal now, let's see what messages do we have for you and how successful will you be. So we will look into the messages from the Monology Oracle later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So pile 2, from the tarot deck, we have for you the Four of Materials, which is the Four of Pentacles. Then we have the Sun card. Wow. Then we have the Three of Voices, which is the Three of Swords. Okay. Then we have the Moose of Voices, which is the King of Swords. Okay. And we have the Six of Voices, which is the Six of Swords. Okay. And we have the Emperor. Okay. So, pile 2. First, let's start with the zodiac sign. So, I feel that some of you could be an air sign, that is the Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, or an earth sign, that is the Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. And we also have Aries as well. So, let's start with the reading, pile 2. So, pile 2, I feel that you people are going to be very very successful in life. Yes, and I also feel that financially as well, you people are going to be very sound, very successful financially. Yes, and I also feel that pile 2, that uh, business will be very fruitful for you. Yes, and something which is related to import and export as well. And also I feel that some of you could be into some kind of beauty related business. Some could be beautician, or you could even do some import and export related to some beauty products as well. Yes, because I'm getting the vibes of something related to beauty. And yes, but definitely business is going to be very beneficial for you. Yes, and also I feel that uh, you people likes to you people like to take care of your health, yourself. Yes, I feel that you people pay a lot of focus and attention on your physical fitness. Yes, and I also feel that you people like to uh, do a lot of yoga and meditation as well. Yes, and also I feel that some of you are, yes, some of you are a very peaceful and a very calm kind of person. Yes, and also I feel that for those of you yes, who are into some kind of jobs, I also feel that uh, you could get an offer, you could get an offer for a higher position in later years of your life. And I feel that you people could shift your location. You people could move from one city to another. Even I feel that you people could be shifting from moving from one country to another country. Yes, uh, but yes, you people are going to be very very successful, and you people are going to be in some very higher positions, some leadership yes, position. Yes, people are going to be very successful, and you people are very ambitious, and you have a lot of confidence. Yes, and I also feel that you people have whatever is that you have acquired till now, you have done a lot through your own hard work. Yes, you have achieved everything because of your own hard work, and you have dedicated a lot of time, effort in your life to achieve the position where you are now. Yes, and I feel that it was not an easy journey as well. Yes, you have in fact did a lot of you have met a lot of ups and downs in life, but yes, you have made through it, and you are going to make through it. Yes, and you are going to be on that top position as well. Yes, you are going to be very successful. But with the three of voices, I feel that you people worry a lot about you people have that inner fear and worries, like how are things going to work in my life. you know you have that tendency to overthink. Yes, you basically overthink things, and you stay a lot in your head pile too. So that is something you need to let go of. Yes, and you need to start focusing on those things which you are grateful for, and those positive things. Yes, you need to focus a lot in the things that are you know uh, you are grateful for. Yes, because I feel that you have everything, yes, to be happy about, to be thankful for, to the angels, to the universe, yes. But inside your mind, you are just creating those kind of negative emotions, yes. So you need to let go of those things, and then you will see how things start moving, yes, rapidly. And I also feel that uh, there is something, yes, something to do with camels pile too. Maybe some of you could stay live where there are a lot of camels. But yes, something to do with camels, I'm getting those feelings pile too, yes. And also, I feel that some of you could be even working in some, yes, some radio company, yes, something related to music, some form of communication work, yes, where you yes, express yourself, yes. So yes, pile two, I feel that you know you stay a lot in your head. So yes, you need to let go of those uh, worries, those fears. And we have the sun card here, so which is all about you becoming successful, you are celebrating a lot, being happy and enjoying those victories and being joyful in life. So yes, you are going to be very successful financially as well, yes. But you need to uh you know try to be happy from within, yes. Because you just need to focus on good things. And as you can see, this person, they are moving ahead in life. So yes, keep walking the path that you are walking on, yes. And enjoy the process, enjoy the journey, until you get that success, until you achieve that success, yes. So you need to keep thinking positive thoughts, yes. But yes, I feel that a change of place is going to be very beneficial for you, yes. When you move uh, from where you are right now to some another place, that is going to be very very beneficial for you, is what I feel. And I also feel that some of you could yes, need to travel for your work, uh, yes, to some other cities, yes, country as well, yes. Also I feel that if you are in some top positions, then yes, you need to be very considerate of other feelings as well, yes. And just instead of just trying to impose things on them, you need to learn to work in a team as well, yes. But yes, you people are going to be very very successful pile too. And you people are going to achieve that name, that success as well. And yes, you people are very practical and very intelligent as well, and very very ambitious. And you are very passionate about what you do, yes. You have a lot of energy, you are very very ambitious, yes. Now, let's see what messages we have for you from the Monology Oracle. So, from the Monology Oracle pile 2, we have for you, nothing will come of this situation. Okay. And we have worked through your fears. Okay. So, with this card, I feel that pile 2, angels, they are guiding you that, you do not need to worry a lot about, about your future, about getting that success, about achieving is your goals, your dreams, your desires, you know, because worrying too much is only going to, cause more things to worry about. Yes, because there's no point in just worrying. Just, you need to keep doing what you are doing, and you need to, I feel that you need to keep realistic goals as well. Don't expect a lot from other people and also from your own self, and don't overburden yourself with a lot of, work and everything. Yes, uh, just, I feel that you need to believe that you will get what you need. Yes, uh, you know if sometimes you don't get what what is that you want, then you need to believe in the angels, in God, and in universe, that they are giving you what is that you need at the moment. Maybe because something that you want was not beneficial for you, so you know angels, they are giving you what is that you need at the moment. Yes, and I also feel that you people need to spend time by your own self. Yes, because that is also going to clear your thought process as well, and you people will be, it will help you to gain that clarity of mind as well. Yes, and I feel that as you if you yes, if you are into some meditation, or or yes, if you start doing meditation as well, pile 2, that is going to help you to make yes, take good decisions to move forward in life. Yes, and you know with this card, I feel that you need to, yes, let go of anything that is causing you any fears. And new moon is all about new start, new beginning, and rebirth as well. So yes, you need to if there was something that was not going how you feel like, then you need to change, maybe adjust, make some adjustment, or you need to change how what you expected from, yes, that outcome. So maybe you need to change your way, your path, and adjust a little. Yes, and that is also going to help you a lot. Yes, and you need to let go of any fears, any worries, and any negative emotions as well. And I also feel that maybe this could be for very few of you. You also need to let go of jealousy as well. Yes, and you need to start focusing on your own self for your own growth. Yes, and I also feel that I do, if you are thinking of making some investment, then yes, this is a good time for making any investment as well. Yes, because it is going to be very beneficial for you in the future. Yes, so this was all. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the charms, and also let's see your initials as well. So okay, so let's start with the initials. We have very few initials compared to pile 1. Okay, so we have V. Okay, we have S. Okay, we have F. And we have D. We have I. We have K. We have K again. Okay, we have S again. We have S again. Okay, we have B. We have K again. Okay, we have E as well. And we have J. We have B again. And we have J again. Okay. So from the charms we have heart. So yes, I feel that with this, that whatever is that you are going to do in life, yes, you are going to be yes, you are going to achieve that peace and achieve what is that your heart desires. Yes, your heart desire is going to be fulfilled. And we have the wheel of fortune as well. So yes, I feel that some of you could be, yes, traveling, and yes, as I told you earlier, you could be moving towards a new place, or a change of place is going to be very beneficial for you. So yes, traveling is going to be very beneficial for you. Okay, then we have this. Okay, C, pile 2. You have this butterfly, which is all about transformation, and growing in life. Yes, you are going to be very successful as well. Oh, we have the angels as well. Wow. And I also feel that with this, that you need to have that self love. Okay, and yes, you are making progress. I also feel that yes, some people could be having could have some jealousy, there is some conflict. Yes, yes, basically let go of any negative emotions and any negative people as well. And yes, with this I feel that yes, you are moving towards what is that you desire, and you have very high ambitious energy, and you are very ambitious as well. And just a second, there is an angel wing as well. So I feel that whatever is that you are going to do in life, yes, angels, they are always guiding you, and they are always supporting you in your path. Yes, that is what I feel. And we have the star as well. So yes, you are going to achieve peace of mind as well. And also I feel that your wishes are going to be fulfilled as well. Okay, with this I feel that it is all about prosperity, growth. Yes, and we have the keys. Okay, so this could be about, okay, you becoming successful, and you keep lot of, I feel that a lot of new opportunities is going to come towards you. Yes, yes, and you will be unlocking a lot of doors. And also this could be about you are, maybe you are moving, shifting place, could be about you buying a new flat or new homes as well. Yes, but yes, a lot of opportunities are going to come your way. Yes, and you are going to be very successful as well. So yes, that was all for you, pile 2, and I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 2. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 3. For those of you who choose this crystal, now let's see what messages we have for you and how successful will you be. So we will look into the messages from the Moonology Oracle later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So pile 3, from the tarot deck, we have for you the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Then we have the Hermit. Okay. Then we have the Eight of Voices, which is the Eight of Swords. We have the Two of Inspiration, that is the Two of Wands. Okay. We have the Four of Voices, which is the Four of Swords. Okay. And we have the Six of Materials, which is the Six of Pentacles. And we have the Lover's card. Okay. So pile 3, first talking about the zodiac, I feel that some of you could be a Virgo, and some of you could be a fire sign as well, that is the Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, and some of you could be air sign as well, that is the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have earth sign as well, that is the Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, and we have the card for Virgo as well, and we have card of Gemini as well. So yes, this could be your zodiac. Now let's get into the reading, pile 3. So yes, pile 3, the first thing, pile 3, I feel is the color red. Okay, so red is all about being grounded, becoming passion, power, and also about anger as well. So you need to let go of anger, yes, but yes, the color red is all about passion and being powerful. Yes, or red could be your favorite color, or some lucky color for some of you as well, but yes, I'm getting the color red. Also pile 3, I feel that some of you could be just graduated, recently graduated. Yes, you have just completed and achieved some learning. Yes, also I feel that there is something to do with the number 4, pile 3. The number 4, it could be for some of you your birth date or your birth month, or it could be about the 4th day of the week as well, or anything. Yes, I'm getting the number 4. So yes, let's get into reading the cards now. So yes, pile 3, you have the card of destiny, which is the Wheel of Fortune. So yes, uh, with this card, you know, I feel that yes, you people are going to be very, very successful in your life, and you know, you are going to have a very good fortune. And yes, uh, I also feel that you know, you people are very knowledgeable person, yes, and you have a lot of knowledge, a lot of wisdom, and I feel that you know, one day, you know, you people are going to share that knowledge and those experiences with other people. And you know, if you could notice this footprints pile 3, you know, I feel that you know, you people are going to uh, leave a mark, you know. Yes, people are going to be very successful, you have a lot of wisdom, and you know, you people are always about, you know, learning and getting that, you know, inner clarity, wisdom, yes. And with this sun, yes, I feel that yes, you people are going to be very, very successful, yes. And I also feel that you know, some of you could be uh, into, you know, some teaching field, like some of you could be a teacher, or some of you could be a counselor, advisor as well. Yes, and I also feel that you know, some of you could, you know, travel a lot because of your work as well. Yes, but you know, pile 3, I feel that you know, at times you could feel that you know, you could not, you know, move ahead in life, and you could not see what lies ahead for you. Yes, and this could all about, you know, this could be all about you are, you know, overthinking a lot. You are just, you know, it is your own thoughts that is, you know, creating any negative situations. Yes, because I feel that you know, there is nothing you need to worry about. Yes, it is just that I feel you need to let go of anything that is causing you any worry. Yes, and also I feel that you know, you need to change your perspective about how you look at things. Yes, and yes, you are going to, you know, travel, or you could, right, currently also you could be traveling a lot for your work as well. Yes, and also I feel that pile 3, uh, some of you could be into some partnership business as well. And also I feel that you know, some of you, uh, you may like to, you know, doing some charity work, like you like to help others. And you know, if it's not that case, then yes, I feel that you know, you should, you know, engage yourself in those things as well. And I also feel that you know, you need to learn to share. Yes, could be like, you know, helping others with uh, yes, some financial help, or even, you know, by sharing those experiences that you have and those knowledge. Yes, because help could be in any form. Yes, and also you know, I feel that some of you could be, you know, some counselor, some kind of therapist, you know, because I feel that you know, some healing professions as well. Because I feel that you know, I'm getting the vibes that you could even heal other people by, you know, listening to them as well. Yes, you know, I feel that some people come to you, you know, to share their problems. Yes, and you know, you listen to them and you give advice, you know, and that is how you help others to heal as well. Yes, and I also feel that you know, pile 3, uh, you people, you know, you people think a lot for the benefit of other people as well. Yes, you always put other people first, then yourself. And I feel that you need to take some time out for your own self as well, and spend time by yourself. And whatever is that you are doing in your life, just learn to relax as well, learn to rest as well, and pay attention to your own self love and your own health as well. And yes, I feel that you people are just happy by helping other people. Yes, that gives you a lot of emotional satisfaction. Yes. And you know I feel that yes, you people are going to have enough, enough money. Yes, and financially you'll be very sound. But you people are also going to have that emotional happiness, that inner happiness as well. Yes. I feel that yes, you people are all about helping other people. Yes, you are always there to help others. And also I feel that uh, angels, they are always supporting you in everything that you are doing. Because in this card, if you can see pile 3, we have angel wings. So yes, know that angels, they are always supporting you, they are always guiding you. And uh, do not worry about what future is going to unfold for you. Because whatever is going to happen, yes, that is going to happen because of you know yes, because of it is because angels want that to happen. Yes, and everything is going to happen for you in its own divine timing. Yes. And I also feel that in whatever is that you would do, yes, your partner, yes, they are always going to be very supportive of you. Yes, they are always going to support you, pile 3. Yes, I'm getting a very very positive vibes in this reading. Yes, a very beautiful and a very peaceful and a very calm energy in this pile. Yes. And I feel that if, when you help others, it gives you a different kind of joy. It makes you happy a lot. Yes. And yes, I also feel that pile 3, in later years of your life, yes, you people are going to earn a lot of fame. Yes. And I also feel that some of you could move towards a new country as well. And as you move towards a new country, yes, then your career is going to grow a lot. Yes, because that new country is where you people are going to find that success, that growth in your career, and that name. Yes, you people are always very very eager to learn. Yes, very beautiful energy, pile 3. Now let's see what messages do we have for you from the Monology Oracle. So from the Monology Oracle, we have for you, a new start is coming. Wow, this is pile 3. This is a very auspicious card in this deck, in the Monology Oracle. Okay. And we have, your commitment is being tested. Okay. So pile 3, uh, yes, I feel that yes, new start is coming for you. And you know I feel that for some of you, whenever you come across this video, you know the moment you see this video, yes, this is going to resonate with you. And from that point forward, a new beginning is going to come towards you. Yes. And I also feel that pile 3, you people are going to be very very blessed in life. Yes. And you are going to have a very good fortune, and you are going to achieve whatever is that you desire to achieve, you wish to, you work to achieve. Yes, you will achieve your goals. And you will have everything that is positive. And yes, you are moving into a new cycle now. Yes. And I also feel that a lot of opportunities are going to come towards you. Yes, a lot of new opportunities are going to open up for you. And yes, you are going to manifest your dreams. Yes. And yes, we have your commitment is being tested. So pile 3, right now, if you feel any challenges, if you face any obstacles, then just know that it is angels and God, and it is universe way of testing your commitment. Yes. But yes, you are going to be successful, and you are going to get what is that you work for. Yes. And I feel that you people need to face anything, whatever is that comes your way, you need to face it with confidence. Yes. And you need to keep walking on the path you are walking, and just stay true to yourself as well. Yes. And I also feel that you need to believe in yourself, and you need to believe in your dreams as well. Because if you believe if you believe your dreams, if you believe what is that you desire, then yes, that is going to happen for you. And I also feel that with this card, that you are already halfway there, where you are going to where you want to reach. Yes, you are already halfway there, pile 3. And keep moving. And also stay strong in your journey as well. Yes. And if sometimes you feel like giving up, yes, if those kind of thoughts come into your mind, then just know that angels, they want you to know that you should not give up. Yes. And also keep recommitting yourself to your goals. Yes. And stay strong. Yes, you people are going to be very very successful, and you people are going to find that peace as well. Yes, a lot of success financially as well. Yes. So now let's see, let's look into the charms and the initials. Pile 3. Okay. Okay, so look at this pile 3. We have the Lovers card, and we have love here as well. Okay. Now first let's start with the initials. So we have M, or this could be W as well. So yes, we have M, and we have V, we have D, we have E, we have H, we have L, we have W, or this could be, we have Z, okay, or this could be N as well, and we have M, we have D again, okay, we have H, we have A, we have E again, we have N, we have V again, okay, we have K, we have Y as well, we have K again, okay, a lot of K, and we have N, we have U, we have X, we have D again, okay, and we have M, again we have, oh, this is W, okay, and we have A as well. We have a lot of A, a lot of D, H, K, M. Now let's look into the charms. So yes, you have love. So basically I feel, with this, that you are going to do in life what is that you love, you are passionate about, and also you will get the support of your partner as well. Your family, your partner, they are going to support you in whatever that you do. And yes, we have angels wings. So yes, just know that angels, they are always supporting you, they are guiding you, and we have angels wings in this card as well. We have angels again, wow. So angels, they are really guiding you, they are supporting you. And we have Eiffel Tower. So some of you could be from Paris, or you could be traveling to Paris, or this could be about some of you, you know yes, going to Paris for some studies or higher studies, yes. And we have the key. So yes, this could be about new you unlocking the doors of opportunities for yourself. And yes, you people are going to I feel that yes, even though you are making a slow progress right now, but yes, you people are going to shine out in the future. And we have, wow, oh wow, we have the sun here, wow. So yes, you are going to be very successful, and you are going to find that joy, that happiness. Okay, you need to have some self love, and you need to start spending time by yourself as well. And we have dolphins, okay. So I feel that some of you could live near the waters, or just spending some time in nature by the waters, that is going to help you as well. And we have the tree. So yes, I feel that you people are going to have a lot of growth. And wow, so we have music. Some of you could be working in some, yes, some musicians. Some of you could be musicians, yes. Or you could even heal some people through some kind of music, yes. And yes, you are moving forward with high passion and enthusiasm. And we have a child, so holding a guitar, okay. So Yes, I feel that, uh, I feel that you are a very, childlike, very fun loving person. Yes. And I also feel that, with this child, that because child, they are always, about learning something. So, yes, I feel that, yes, you people are into a lot of learning. So, yes, that was all for you, pile 3. Uh, I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So, if you like my reading, if the messages resonated with you, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section as well. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So, yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope you all have a good day and I wish you a lot of success and growth in your life. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.